Are you recording?
Yep.
Okay, wiring update for the...
KONE intermediate panel from Sewell,
Mm-hmm.
University of Wisconsin, Madison, Wisconsin.
Okay, well, looks like we got the bottom button working.
Yeah.
Gotta press it down here because the button is a little bit loose on the contact.
Yeah.
Was that one? It's the yellow and the red wire, and then the red and white wires have to be twisted together on the same connector on the pigtail. And then top one, just it's the button again.
Yeah.
Still works, but it's still a little loose. So that one works,
Yep.
and that one works.
Yep.
And same thing with that one, the yellow and red on your 9-volt batteries, and then the white and red have to be twisted on the end of the pigtail on that separate connector.
Yeah.
And that's it.
Yep.
Okay?
Okay.
But I'll have to order a couple more 9-volt pigtails and everything from Amazon, so they'll probably be here day after tomorrow.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
All right.
All right.
Is that it?
Yep.
All right. Are you happy?
Yep.
All right. Awesome.
Awesome.
That's it?
That's it.
All right. Bye.
Bye.